Hello children, now we are writing middle case letters. New activity, new page. Write today's date here. Then make such parts in your page 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 lines. Make 3 parts. Then lowercase letters we will write here. We will begin with middle case. Now children, middle case means, now you all know that we have these 4 lines 1, 2, 3 and 4. The letters that we write between these 2 lines means second and third lines, they are called middle case letters because we write in the middle of the lines. Now let us see which letters are there. Small a, small c, small e, small I, small m. Then small n, small o, then small r, then small s, small u, small v, then small w, then small x. See children, we write these letters in the middle of the lines, so it is called middle case letters. Now we are writing lowercase letters. Let us see which letters are there. G, small g. Lowercase means children, see, we begin with the second line and it touches the fourth line, means the bottom of the lines. That's why it is called lowercase letter. Next is J, small j. See children, it starts from the second line and it touches fourth line. See, first, second, third and fourth, bottom of the lines. That's why it is called lowercase. Next is small p. P also goes down. Small p goes down. It touches the fourth line. It is called lowercase. See, small p. Then small q. Next is small y. See children, these are lowercase letters. We will repeat small g, small j, small p, small q and small y. See children, when we write English language, we have to be very careful. When we write, we have to concentrate on lines, because some letters we have to write from the first line, some letters we write between second and third line, some letters we need to touch the fourth line. So uppercase, middle case and lowercase letters we have to understand how to write. Practice for that. All the best.